Welcome to the ultimate sci-fi showdown. Tonight, we pit two iconic killers against each other, the relentless Terminator and the raged Hulk. Who will win in this epic battle? Let's dive in. The camera pans slowly over a shattered cityscape at midnight, September 26, 2025. Lightning cracks violently across a turbulent, ink-black sky, casting jagged shadows over crumbled skyscrapers and flooded streets. Rain pours down in relentless sheets, drumming against the ground, steam rising in ghostly tendrils from ruptured pipes and smoldering wreckage. The air grows thick with tension, broken only by a low, mechanical whir that cuts through the storm, footsteps, deliberate and heavy, each one a thud against the wet concrete, accompanied by the sharp hiss of a hydraulic-leg servomotor. From the shadows of a collapsed office building, the T-800 Terminator emerges, its red eyes glowing like embers through the downpour. Its hyperalloy frame glistens with rain, the plasma rifle clutched in its hands gleaming with a cold, metallic sheen. Water drips from its joints, pooling around its feet as it scans the horizon with unfeeling precision. Suddenly, the ground trembles beneath the weight of something massive. The mechanical footsteps transform into thunderous booms that shake the ruins, and a green silhouette bursts through the mist, Hulk, his eyes blazing with an untamed rage, muscles rippling and bulging under tattered purple shorts. His breath comes in heavy, visible puffs, and a mysterious blue glow flickers from his gamma-charged form, casting an eerie, pulsating light across the shattered landscape. The two titans lock eyes, the storm raging around them, setting the stage for an unstoppable clash. The T-800's targeting system emits a series of cold, electronic beeps as it locks onto Hulk. With a mechanical grunt, it raises its plasma rifle and fires a searing blue bolt. The energy blast strikes Hulk's chest with a sizzling crack, burning a black scorch mark into his skin. Hulk barely flinches, his lips curling into a snarl as he roars, a sound that reverberates through the ruins like rolling thunder. He charges forward, his massive frame closing the distance in a single, earth-shaking leap. His fist slams into the T-800's torso with a deafening clang, the impact sending the machine skidding backward through the mud, sparks flying as its metal frame scrapes against the rough ground. The Terminator rights itself with a hydraulic hiss, its red eyes steady and unblinking, showing no sign of pain or hesitation. It retaliates with a rapid-fire plasma barrage, each shot streaking through the rain and burning into Hulk's shoulder with a hiss of molten flesh dripping to the ground. The Gamma monster staggers slightly but presses on, undeterred, grabbing a massive concrete slab from the debris and smashing it into the T-800's head with a crunch that echoes for miles. The impact leaves a deep dent in the machine's skull, but its red eyes flicker back to life, the damage merely a glitch in its relentless programming. Hulk lets out a primal yell, his muscles swelling as he grabs a wrecked car from the rubble, its twisted frame groaning under his grip. He hoists it overhead, rain streaming off its rusted hood, and hurls it at the T-800 with a grunt of effort. The vehicle spins through the air, a deadly projectile cutting through the storm. The Terminator sidesteps with calculated precision, its movement smooth despite the dented armor, and the car crashes into a nearby wall with a thunderous explosion of glass and steel, shards scattering across the flooded street. The T-800 pulls a shotgun from its back with a metallic clang, unloading a volley of buckshot into Hulk's legs with a series of sharp bangs. The pellets tear into the green giant's flesh, and he staggers, green blood mixing with the rain pooling around his feet. But his rage only grows, his roars deepening as he rips a steel beam from the skeleton of a collapsed building. He swings it like a club, the air whistling around the makeshift weapon as it connects with the T-800's arm, bending the hyperalloy with a sickening crunch that reverberates through the ruins. The machine adjusts its stance, grabbing the beam mid-swing with its free hand and twisting it violently, forcing Hulk to release it with a grunt of frustration. The T-800 uses the momentum to slam the beam into Hulk's gut, the impact eliciting a deep, pained grunt as the Gamma-powered Titan stumbles back, clutching his midsection and glaring with renewed fury. The rain intensifies, lightning illuminating the battlefield in stark white flashes as Hulk's eyes narrow. The blue glow from his form brightens, a surge of Gamma energy crackling in the air around him, his anger reaching a fever pitch. He leaps onto a crumbling overpass, his weight causing the structure to groan and crack under the strain. With a roar that shakes the foundations, he rips the overpass apart, his hands tearing through steel and concrete with ease. Chunks of debris rain down on the T-800 below, each piece crashing with a thud and crunch as the machine raises its arms to shield itself. Dust billows around it, obscuring the scene for a moment, but Hulk seizes the chaos. He drops down with a thunderous crash, the ground splitting beneath his feet, and grabs the T-800's legs in his massive hands. With a heave that strains his muscles, he hurls the machine into a nearby building, the structure collapsing in a massive cloud of dust, splintered wood, and twisted metal. The Terminator emerges from the rubble, its chassis sparking and smoking, dragging one damaged leg with a louder, more labored hydraulic hiss. It fires a point-blank plasma shot into Hulk's chest, the blast burning a deep gash that sizzles and smokes, sending tendrils of steam into the rain. Hulk roars in pain, clutching the wound as green blood streams down his torso, but he retaliates with a devastating uppercut, his fist connecting with the T-800's jaw and lifting it off the ground. The machine crashes through a wall with a crash that echoes for miles, disappearing into the darkness beyond. The T-800 stands amidst the wreckage, its chassis sparking and smoking, hydraulic fluid leaking from its damaged joints. It calculates Hulk's next move in milliseconds, its internal systems beeping softly as it assesses the situation. Hulk charges again, his footsteps shaking the earth, fists raised and ready to strike. But the Terminator rolls aside with surprising agility, its movements jerky but effective, and plants a shotgun blast into Hulk's back with a loud bang. Green blood sprays into the rain, and Hulk whirls, his face contorted in fury, his blue glow pulsing with each heartbeat. He grabs the T-800's arm, his grip crushing the metal with a groan, and with a savage twist, he rips it off, hydraulic fluid gushing like blood onto the flooded street. The machine staggers but retaliates, grabbing a jagged pipe from the debris with its remaining hand and stabbing it into Hulk's thigh with a wet thud. Hulk howls in agony, yanking the pipe free and snapping it in half with a crack that rings out over the storm. He delivers a two-fisted hammer blow to the T-800's head, the impact caving in the skull with a metallic screech, red eyes flickering erratically as sparks fly in all directions. Hulk looms over the downed T-800, his chest heaving with each labored breath, green blood and rain streaking his massive form. The Terminator's systems sputter, one arm twitching feebly as it tries to rise, its red eyes dimming and brightening in a desperate cycle. With a final, earth-shaking roar that drowns out the thunder, Hulk stomps down, his foot crushing the machine's torso into sparks fly in a dazzling display, illuminating the rain for a brief moment, and the red eyes go dark, a final hiss escaping its damaged frame. Silence falls over the battlefield, broken only by the pounding rain and the occasional rumble of distant thunder. Hulk stands victorious, the blue glow fading from his form, his breathing heavy and ragged as he glares at the wreckage. He clenches his fists, green blood dripping from his wounds, the storm washing over him as the camera pulls back to reveal the full extent of the ruined city under lightning flashes. The scene lingers for a moment, then fades to black as the rain continues to fall, marking the end of the battle. The story continues, and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next epic battle. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we want to hear your theories and favorite moments from this battle. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an epic showdown. Share this with your friends who love sci-fi battles, and let's get a discussion going. And stay tuned, the next challenger is already on the horizon.